Good morning and welcome to the point for Friday, September 1st. We see U.S. futures continuing to push higher this morning after yesterday saw another solid performance as we get ready for a big report on the labor market this morning. The Stoxx Europe 600 index continues to be strong after big economic data, edging 0.4% higher, led by a near 1% gain in France, solid gains in Germany, and a modest uptick in the UK. Brexit negotiations continue to be a struggle as they battle between financial liabilities, citizens' rights, and other issues as pressure begins to mount on Prime Minister May. Markets in Asia stayed relatively quiet, producing mixed results that saw gains in Japan and Shanghai paired with losses in Hong Kong and Korea. Australia's S&P ASX 200 index saw a small increase, and most Middle Eastern markets are closed today. Microsoft is betting heavy on Europe's next big software startups, revealing a 4-month program in Berlin that will attempt to gather the best software worldwide for its future cloud platform. Tesla has partnered with Vestas Wind Systems to develop a way to combine wind turbines and batteries to store power in the future. Bonds saw small gains as major yields climbed around 1 basis point, although Japan's benchmark yield fell below zero. Gasoline held steady as Harvey begins to settle, while crude oil lost yesterday's gains, down 1.1% to $46.73 per barrel. Gold fell 0.2%, though remained strong, while copper is at its highest in 3 years. Ethylene, arguably one of the most important chemicals on the planet used to make cars, milk jugs, paint, mattresses, and other things, has seen half of its U.S. production knocked out by the storm. Currencies held steady as the dollar saw a small climb, as did the euro. The pound and yen both realized small losses. The dollar fell on Thursday after Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin claimed a weaker currency reaps trade benefits. Everyone is eagerly watching the labor market report at 8:30 a.m., which may set a large tone for trading in future weeks. Job growth of 180,000 is expected, along with 4.3% unemployment and average hourly earnings up 0.2%. The labor market continues to tighten, although wage growth has been slow, and economists have overestimated August payrolls for 6 straight years. Manufacturing and vehicle sales data is also due today. President Trump is considering attaching an increase in the U.S. debt limit to an initial $5.95 billion aid for Hurricane Harvey relief, and just a small reminder that U.S. markets will be closed on Monday for Labor Day. In sports, we saw the Houston Astros boost their pitching staff by acquiring Justin Verlander from the Detroit Tigers, while the Angels picked up Justin Upton and Brandon Phillips. The NFL Players Association has filed a request for a temporary restraining order in the Eastern District of Texas, asking for the courts to block any suspension of Ezekiel Elliott as they claim the league's appeal process to be fundamentally unfair. Notable tee times for today's Dell Technologies Championship include DJ, Spieth, and Justin Thomas at 9:15 a.m., while Matsuyama, Rahm, and Ricky Fowler go at 1:40. And elsewhere in golf, Tiger has been cleared for pitching as we eagerly wait his return. That is it for us today on The Point for Friday, September 1st. We hope you have a great weekend and a great holiday.